Hello, my name is Ferguson Bendick Valdez. I am currently taking a diploma course in computer engineering. And now I will be talking about my reaction on the webinar Introduction to Arduino Part 2 that happened on May 31, 2021 by Department of Information and Communication Technology, Cluster 3 Luzon. The webinar is about the introduction to Arduino. The speaker, Engineer John Dennis Sapanta Espiritu, discussed about the brief history of Arduino and tells us what are the uses, the advantages, and some of the common module and sensor of Arduino. I have learned that we should pay more attention on our economic perspective, whether the future will soon be replaced by how Arduino can be used in the environment. The speaker, Engineering Espiritu, explained how the Arduino works and what the device are capable of. As I thought about it, Arduino is a open source project, which means it is easily available for use and free to utilize for both commercial and non-commercial projects. Arduino is a preferred development tool as it is a great tool for creating interactive objects, turning a small innovative into a creative one. As I mentioned earlier, I am a computer engineering student, and as an aspiring engineer, I wish to build a technology that can help the industry, especially with the pandemic still ongoing. The webinar opened up a lot of opportunities. Engineering Spirit though simulates some basic uses of Arduino Uno. It seems complicated, but it was manageable as I watched through the video. Just based on my knowledge and what I have learned so far through the years of being a computer engineering student, I think I have a long way to go to become a full-fledged engineer. And there's so much room for knowledge. That's why I thought the webinar about Arduino is so important for us students. It is just a part 2, but it gives so much knowledge, ideas, and information that will be fed on us engineering students. What more if it is followed by another episode? Perhaps I could learn, and maybe it should be sufficient enough for me to start my own innovation or project. And that is our job as a feature engineer, to develop or to create solutions to problems. And then I realized we have this thesis project of ours. We are making a device that detects smoke emits by a tobacco. And we are struggling to figure out how MQ2 works, MQ135 sensor works, whether it would need a capacitor, special circuits, or resistor, etc. We keep asking each other about that scenario, and just like that, the webinar gave us an answer. Engineering Espiritu only simulates the basic gas sensor, but it actually gave us some thoughts on how it actually works. And after that, we overcame our dilemma, and I think it does help our thesis project progresses. Our aim is to lessen the cigarette smoking in some areas in the Philippines. It is still not done yet, but I hope it will make an impact and it can help reduce the pollution in the Philippines and stop this global warming. I would like to thank all of the people who participated in the webinar, and of course for the Department of Information and Communications Technology team for putting together the webinar. The instruction that they provided for giving an introduction about Arduino was spot on. I think all of the audience that watched the webinar gains a lot of knowledge about the basic uses of Arduino. I would like to commend the speaker, Engineering John Dennis Sapantay Espiritu, for his outstanding skills, and without him, the webinar would not be as successful as that. And that's all. Thank you.